One of the downsides of having so many different platforms releasing great shows is that it's difficult to keep up with new releases. So let's build something that makes it easy to track all of your favorite shows in one place. Just like the music library, this project is initialized with the Vue Webpack bundle, which provides us with all the basic necessities to start developing a project: a web server, a linter, the ever-useful hot reloading, and the Vue packages themselves. Before we jump into it, let's go over the packages we're going to need to build this. The styling for this project is built on the wonderful Bulma CSS framework, in support of Font Awesome for some nice font icons. Font Awesome requires two additional packages: the font package itself, Font Awesome Free Solid, and Vue Font Awesome for built-in Font Awesome components. For the music library, we used localStorage for all of our permanent storage needs, which, while useful for some use cases, isn't that useful for storing things in a way that makes them portable or permanent. Clearing your browser data will also clear your local storage, and thus all your data. So starting from this project on, we'll be working with an easy-to-use and free online data store, Firebase. Firebase offers a lot of different services varying in complexity, but the only thing we're going to use for the TV show tracker is the new object data store, Firestore. The package needed for this one is simply called Firebase, containing the base package and all of its sub-packages. Let's take a quick look at the setup in the files themselves. This is really just a recap of what we did with the music library. Now in main.js, we import the CSS framework and Font Awesome, then set up the Font Awesome library and add fa-icon as our Vue component. App.vue has been cleared of all previous contents and styling, so we have a clean state to work with.